One of my treasured viewers asked how I put together a meal using Instant Pho. So here's my general method. Mama makes my favorite Instant Pho, and you can get it in beef, chicken, or seafood. The packets are kind of small, less than 2 ounces each, so I usually double up. The noodles go into the bowl along with the seasoning packets. Save the oil packets for the end though. I also like to boost the flavor a bit with some pho bouillon. You can find this in beef, chicken, or seafood flavors at most Asian markets. I've been using this same can for a couple years and it's finally getting close to the end. Just a couple small spoonfuls. Totally optional. You might find that the soup packets are just fine for you. I always keep chopped scallions prepared for anybody to grab from the fridge. Here I'm throwing in a couple tablespoons. A few slices of jalapeño peppers. A nice handful of cilantro. I'm putting the stems into the bowl and then saving the leaves as a fresh topping at the end. These are just some of my favorite things to keep around, but you can substitute as you like or leave something out if you don't have it right then. Really, there's no sense in skipping a bowl of soup for lack of cilantro. Ooh, red onions are also a favorite. Be careful here. Add enough boiling hot water to cover all of the ingredients. Cover with a lid or a plate. Set the oil packets on top to warm up and come back in 5 minutes. Be careful, very hot and steamy. Stir it up and give it a taste, and then you can dress it up however you like. So I'm throwing in the cilantro leaves here, fish sauce, lime juice, fresh or refrigerated, sriracha, and some pickled radishes and carrots. All optional and all up to your taste. Here you can add some protein if you like. I was making a chicken breast video at this time, so I had a few pieces left to add here. Asian meatballs or leftover steak would also be great. And don't forget those oil packets. They do add a beautiful flavor and aroma. Now excuse me as I mow down on this bowl of deliciosity. Thanks for the request, Simple O. I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye-bye!